Every cosmic collapse begins with a single mundane ritual. King Manu is standing at the river's edge, performing a standard morning water offering. But as he scoops up a handful of river water, he finds a microscopic fish trapped in his palms. It speaks to him with surprising clarity, begging the righteous king for protection from the larger predators in the river. Manu places the creature in a small water pot for safety. By the next morning, the fish expands so rapidly it is completely wedged inside the container. This localized break in physical laws signals the start of a broader collapse. The fish's impossible growth is the first gear turning in a machine that will eventually grind the entire cosmos to a halt. Manu moves the fish to a larger vat, then a well, and finally a massive pond, but it outgrows each one in hours. Even when he releases it into the mighty Ganges, the water cannot contain it. Finally, he hauls the creature to the ocean. The moment it touches the salt water, it expands one final time, its massive body instantly filling the entire oceanic horizon. In the middle of the deep, the creature reveals its true form. This is Lord Vishnu in his Matsya Avatar. He has appeared to deliver a prophecy of Pralaya, the total dissolution of the universe. Vishnu warns that a catastrophic flood is imminent. The physical world will be erased, and Manu must prepare immediately for the total removal of all that exists. In this tradition, apocalypse functions as a scheduled system reboot. It is a predictable, mechanical necessity of time itself. Chapter 2 of the Matsya Purana documents the exact steps of this erasure. It begins with a century-long drought draining all moisture from the earth. Next, intensified solar radiation combines with fire from Shiva's third eye, incinerating the worlds, leaving only ash. With the physical world burning, the final stage is triggered by the arrival of massive, world-ending cloud formations known as Samvarta and Bhimnada. These clouds release a violent deluge that extinguishes the fires and floods the void, turning the entire universe into a single, lightless ocean. Every physical boundary and distinction is dissolved. The universe is now a blank canvas, scrubbed clean for its next iteration. Amidst this total void, Manu survives on a massive boat. He has gathered seeds of all plants, every animal species, and the 7 great sages. They navigate the cosmic storm through a singular method. The giant Matsya pulls the ship through the waves, using the serpent Vasuki as a tether. The boat floats through absolute darkness. The only light in the ruined universe is the divine glow radiating from the Matsya Avatar. While drifting in this void, Manu begins a long dialogue with Vishnu. He asks for the ultimate laws of governance, creation, and human society. This is a massive data transfer. Manu is downloading the operating system for human civilization directly from the divine source code before the final reboot. Eventually, the deluge ends. The waters recede to reveal a universe that is perfectly still and entirely empty. From the center of the dark waters, the mechanism of rebirth manifests, the Hiranyagarbha, or the golden egg. From this radiant sphere, Brahma emerges to physically reconstruct the planets and populate the new world. Brahma's emergence marks a transition from physical preservation to the restoration of order. The narrative now moves beyond the survival of the species to the survival of the systems that make a society function. That long conversation Manu held with the fish in the darkness wasn't just a story. It is the actual recorded text of the Matsya Purana itself. This text functions as an encyclopedic blueprint for civilization. The Matsya Purana suggests that while the physical world is subject to inevitable destruction, structured, preserved wisdom